Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, ang lovely couple na sina Dominic Roque at Sue Ramirez ay magkasamang bumisita sa Ivy Clinic para sa kanilang Ivy Clinic skin treatment, at syempre para na rin sa sandaling kumustahan with mag-asawang Duke Ivy and Duke Z. Check this out guys!
Bilan ko din.
Yung pati face mo, tinataan mo.
Or the outside. But pero hinabol na.
And this is facial treatment.
Yes.
But fresh.
Yes. Correct. 4 months ago.
Yes. At least we're reunited.
Thank you so nice to see you.
Good to see you again. Hi, you'll be back.
Always.
Always.
Always coming back.
Bakit naman yung back? Bakit ba?
Anong back? Ano ba kayo? Wala lang. Wala lang.
Yung dalawa mo siya.
Bye-bye.
Like, selfie.
Yes, this is selfie.